Android's Nearby Share allows you to quickly and easily share something with another Android device that's nearby. To demonstrate, I'm going to share a link to a website from my tablet to my phone. Select the Share option in Chrome's menu, and in the pop-up menu scroll all the way to the right to find the Nearby Share icon and tap it. The Nearby Share window pops up to tell me that my tablet is looking for nearby devices. In order that nearby devices can be found, they must be on and unlocked. It has found another device, which is called Chris's phone. The name and icon confirms to me that this is my phone, so I tap on it. Check that the PIN number on the tablet matches the PIN number on the phone. The tablet tells me that it is sending to Chris's phone, but to be pedantic, it's not actually sharing anything yet. If you have a look at the phone screen, you will see that the window shows my tablet in grey because nothing is being shared until I tap Accept on my phone. When I tap Accept, the grey icon has a green circle. Sharing a link means that only a very small file is shared, so the Nearby Share window very quickly closes on my phone. I've actually frozen the screen just to show you what it looks like. The phone then opens up Chrome to display the web page that was shared. The tablet which sent the web page confirms with a green ring around my icon that the link was shared with my phone. My tablet continues to look for other devices just in case you want to send the link to more devices. Let's just have a quick look at the settings for Nearby Share. To look at the settings on my phone, tap the Settings cogwheel. In the search box, type Nearby and then tap Nearby Share. On the tablet, I can just tap the cogwheel in the Nearby Share window. On my tablet there is the option to share more easily. I tap on this to add my phone number. Have a quick read of all the information about how your number will be used and the privacy, and if you are happy with this, click on Agree. I've actually done this already on my phone, so there's no need to do this on my phone. There's an important note at the bottom of the screen that applies to both the sending and receiving devices. You need to ensure that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and location settings are on both devices. If you have multiple Google accounts on your device, you can select which account to use. You can change the device name to whatever you require. The most important setting on this page is visibility. This allows you to control who can share stuff with your device. The default is all your contacts. However, you can open your device to everyone. Possibly it's a bit risky to leave your device open to everyone all the time, so there is an option where you can set your devices open to everybody, but just for a few minutes. At the other extreme, you can keep your device hidden from everyone. Returning to the default of everyone in your contacts, it's possible to be more selective, and by turning off the Visible to All Contacts option, you can then turn on the visibility for individual contacts. I'm actually going to leave it as visible to all my contacts. Data usage allows you to control how much data is sent using your mobile data service and how much is sent using Wi-Fi. You can also specify without internet, which I guess will use Bluetooth. You can turn off notifications, but to be honest, I can't see the sense in that. If another device has just shared something with me, I want a notification to tell me about it. I find Nearby Share a useful feature, but you cannot Nearby Share to an Apple device or to a Windows 10 device. Windows 10 has a feature called Nearby Sharing, which, since the names are so similar, you might think they're compatible. But from my own testing, I don't believe this works yet. I believe that Google has plans to get this working, but it will only be on certain PCs. So I'll try this again and maybe do a video later if it does work on my PC.